Arithmetic progression is called as AP. Geometric progression is called as GP. Sn is the total of the two AP. N is equal to number of terms. A is called first term. D is called the difference. Set of number arranged in a definite order or in an order based on some definite is called sequence, which is called progression. Hello my dear students, very good morning today, this session. So I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle quantitative techniques, 4 semester Unit 1, Session 2, BCom in favor of progression. In the last session, we discussed about the indices and logarithm very detailedly. Today, we are going to handle progression, that is unit number 2. So, I am going to explain what is progression, what are the types of problems that will come. So, definitely say good problems we are going to face here. So, we already solved indices, we already solved the logarithm with the table, without the table also. We'll move on to the progression. So, I will explain what is progression is. Set of number arranged in a definite order or in an order based on some definite is called sequence, which is called progression. So a number have been arranged in a definite order 2, 4, 6, 8 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is a perfect order that is called the progression. There are two types of progression. One is called arithmetic progression and is called geometric progression. Which are the two progressions are? One is arithmetic progression, another is geometric progression. Arithmetic progression is called as AP. Geometric progression is called as GP. So what is AP? What is JP? We are going to explain. So we are now teaching with the AP now. AP series, which the difference between any two consecutive number must be the same. Any two consecutive numbers means second number minus first number, third number minus second number, fourth number minus third number. So example 2, 4, 6, 8. Second number is how much? 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 4 is also 2. 8 minus 6 is also 2. So the difference should be a constant. This difference is called common difference, which is represented by the word called D. D is called common difference. How it is known? Second number minus first number, third number minus second number, fourth number minus third number. It should be a common consecutive numbers. So that difference should be pakka difference here. Same difference has to come. Second number minus first number, third number minus second number. So this is very important. It can be represented as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, it goes on. Any nth number, if you want to find out the 50th term, 20th term, we say A plus N minus 1D, we say. A is called the first term, N is called number of term, D is called common difference. So I will explain how many terms you require to find out. A is called first term, N is called number of terms, D is called common difference. So we'll move on to form with the summation. So here one word is called summation. Total. It can be represented as Sn. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. See the formula? Sn is the total of the two AP. N is equal to number of terms. A is called first term. D is called the difference, common difference. I will repeat. What is Sn? Summation of a number. N is equal to number of terms. A is equal to first term, D is equal to common difference. If you see this problem, on 1st January every year, a person buys NSC of value exceeding of the previous year purchase by rupees 200. So when you go purchase now, every year when you go with the 200, next you will go to the 400, next you will go to the 600. So there is a difference of rupees 200. So on 1st January, every year, a person buys NSE of the value exceeding of the previous year. So the difference is only 200, that is called D. After 10 years, N is equal to 10 years, he finds that the total of the certificate purchased by him, 55,000. This is summation, total. This total is this. What's the total summation? Yes, N is 55,000. Find the value of the certificate purchased by him in the 1st year. What is A? And in the 6th year, what is the value in the 6th year? So what they have given, so D is given, SN is given, number of years is given here. Given. Difference is 200. N is equal to 10 years. SN is equal to summation number 55,000. Slowly, I will write the formula. SN is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1D given difference. D is, this is your D, given D is 200, N is 100. This D is, difference is 200. D is 200, then A they want, SN is 55,000. Simplify, this is 55,000. Number of years is 10 divided by 2. 2 into A we don't know. 10 minus 1, the difference is 200. I think you understand. 55,000 into N means number of years is 10 divided by 2. 2 into A, 10 minus 1 is 200. Simplify, 55,000. 2 5s are 10. 2A, 10 minus 1, 9 into 1,800. 55,000, 2 5s are 10, 2A plus this is 200. So simplify, this is 55,000, or you can divide, 5 ones are 5, 11,000 is equal to 2A, 1,800. You take this amount, or we can write 2A 1,800 into 11,000. 2A 11,000 minus 1,800. 2A 11,000 minus 1,800. 9,200. 9,200. A is equal to 9,200 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4,600. So he wants to find out what's the value of A. I find out what's the value of A is 4,600. Come back. Then he wants, which value he wants? This is by him, the 1st year. And also in the 6th year, he says, 6th year, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1D. This is formula. 14th year, 20th year, 40th year, you have to find out which year he wants. T6. What's your A? 4,600. Which year he wants? 6th year. 6 minus 1, your difference is 200. This is 4,600. 6 minus 1, 5 into 200. This is 4,600 plus 1,000. So T6 here, sixth year is 5,600. In the sixth year, he is going to get how much money? 5,600. So if the summation is 55,000, the first figure A is 4,600. He wants Tn on which date? Sixth year, it is 5,600. Hope you have followed because I have gone through very slowly. Hope so. You understand this. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. N is equal to number of year. Sn is summation of AP. D is common difference. A is the first number which is missing. We'll move on to next problem now. Second one. A class consists of number of boys where wages are in AP. The common difference 4 months is say. The common difference is 4 months. This is D is equal to 4 months or D is equal to 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3 years. Then, if the youngest boy of a class is 8 years, A is equal to 8 years, and the sum of the ages of all boys in the class to be 168 years, Sn is equal to 168 years. Find the number of boys in the class. N is equal to what? Question. So how many months are given? 4 months are given, 1 by 3. A is 8, Sn is 48. Slowly we can apply the formula. Summation Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. You must learn the formula very, very properly. All the mathematics formula based on only a formula. The mathematics only based on formula. So what's your Sn now? 168. How many years are given? D, n you have to find out. N divided by 2. 2 into A is how many years? 8 years plus n minus 1 and difference is 1 by 3. Fraction figure, slowly you have to make them. So 168 n by 2 into 16 plus n minus 1 divided by 3. N, I think understand, n minus 1 divided by 3. Then this is 168 n divided by 2. So take the 3 as LCM. 1 3s are 3. 3 into 16 is 48. 3 1s are n minus 1. I took the 3 as a LCM. 1 3s are 3, 16 the 48. 3 1s are 1 into n. So 168 n by 2 into 48 minus 1 is 47 divided by 3. This is 47 plus n. This is 168 n by 2 into 48 minus 1, 47 plus n divided by 3. You take all this one, 168, 3 into 2 is 6. Left over is n into 47 plus n. So multiply 168 into 6, 1008. This n into 47, 47 n plus n square. you make either quadratic equation or n square plus 47 is equal to 47n is equal to 1008. You take this n square plus 47n minus 1008 is equal to 0. In mathematics, no. So 1000 into 8 into n square is 1008 n square. When you multiply, you should get 1008. When you add or deduct, the center figure 47 n should come. So when you multiply, how much should become? 1008. When you add or deduct, how much will come? 47 n. You can make like this. 1008. 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6s are 2 6 are 12, 63. See that? 2 into 2, 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 into 63, see that? 16 into 63 is 1008. So the numbers are 16 and 63. You like this. N square plus 63n minus 16n. 63n minus 16n is 47n minus 1008 is equal to 0. I think the numbers are 63 and 16. Multiply, we get 1008. 63 minus 60, this no 63 minus 16 is 47. You want 47, you want 1, both we are getting. From this, take the common n plus 63. Take the common minus 16, left over. Minus into minus plus 16. 63s is equal to 0. So what is left over? N plus 63, n minus 16 is equal to 0. Next step. N plus 6 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 6. Negative cancel. N minus 16 is equal to 0. N is 16. This answer he wants. What's the answer he wants? Find the number of boys in the classes. How many boys are there? 16. How we did know? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. 168 is n by 2. 2 into a is 16. N minus 1. So 4 months is 1 by 3. I took the 3 here. 16 plus n minus. I took the LCM 3. 1 3 is 3 into 16 is 48. 3 n minus 1 left over. Then 168. 48 minus 1 is 47 plus n divided by 3. Then what I did know, 3 2s are 6. 168 into 6. What is left over? N into 47 plus n. So 1008. N into 47 is 47. N into n square is n square. Or we can write n square 47 is 1008. Or n square 47 is 1000. I simplify this. 2 2s are. So the numbers will come 16 and 16. Multiply, we get the 1008. 16 minus 16 is 47. So what the mathematics says, no? When you multiply, it is 1008. If you tell for Kannada medium students, by chance, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ 1008 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1008 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? 47. ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. 16 into 16 I did. ಸೊ 63 ಮೇಲೆ 16 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ? 47. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. Then what I did know, n I took the form n into 63. So negative leave it off. N minus 16 is 0. N is, how many boys are there? 16 boys are there. Hope you understand this. Now, 2 posts were offered to a man In the one post, the starting salary was 2,400 per month. Starting salary means A. And the annual increment was 160 per month. Increment means D. In other post, the salary comes at 1,000 A per month. But the annual increment is 240. Difference is 240. Which post would you give him more earning in the 20 years of service? First post. First post. A is 2,400. Then D, 1,600 per month. Then N is, so he wants, then first post. Second one, your A is, in the other post, commencement at rupees 1,700 per month. Your difference is 240 per month. Here is, what's your here? 160 per month. There 240 per month. Number of years, N is equal to, years is given. This is 20 years, but all are in month. Convert the years into month into 12. 240 months. So we'll go, I think understand. All in month, I converted the years into month. In year, there are 12 months. 20 years, how many months are there? 240 months is there. I'll go. First post. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. First post. What's your? So he wants the per month. Which would give him first year? Which would give him a more earning? More earning. Sn is equal to what he says? Sn is equal to, how many years are n? 240 divided by 2 into 2 into, per month how much? 16. Per month 2,400 plus number of years n 240 minus 1. Your difference is 2,400 per month. See the problem? 2,400 per month. So this is 2 ones are 120, 4,800. 240 means 239 into 2,400. This is 120, 4,800 plus add 239 into 240, 57,360, 120. So 57,360 plus 4,800, 62,160 multiplied by 120, multiplied by 12 followed by 0, 62,160 into 12, 7,45,920 followed by 0. 7,45,920 in the first post. 7,45,920 in the first post. We'll go to second post. Same formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. In the second post, you see that A is 1,700 per month, increment is 240. Number of years same. Sn is equal to 240 divided by 2. 2 into, what's your per month A? 1700 plus N is how much? 240 minus 1. The difference is, annual increment is 240. First annual increment is here 160 per month. Here first post, no? Your A is 2A, N minus 1, 239. Here 239. Simple mistake here. So what's your annual increment here? 2400. And this will go now. Small mistake. This will go now. This is correct. 240 divided by 2 into 2 into A is 2400 plus 240 minus 1. Then your difference is 1 annual increment is 160. Sorry, it's not 2400, 160. Simplify. This is 120 into 4800. This is 239 into 160. This is 120, 4800 plus 239 into 160. 38,240. 120 into 38,240 plus 4,800. 43,040 multiplied by 120. 5 lakh 16,000. This is 51 lakh 64,800. Okay, sorry. Instead of 160, I took 2,400. I rectify the mistake. It is 240 divided by 2. 2 into 2,400 into 160. Instead of 2,000, you take 160. It will come 51 lakh 64,800. This goes in favor of first post. Second post, see that. Second post, A is how much? Other post, 1,000 per, but increment is 240. Increment is 240. This is 120 into 3,400 plus 239 into 240. See the increment? See the increment is 240. So this is 120, 3,400, 239 into 240, 57,360. So this is 120, 3,400, 57,360 plus 3,400, 60,760. Multiply. Sn is equal to 60,760 into 120. It will come 72 lakh 91,200. So better to accept second. Accept second post because this is more. 72,091,200 more than first one. 51,64,800. 51,64,800. Hope you understand this. Only mistake did no, instead of that, no, I've changed the figure now. We'll move on to next problem now. Ramesh arranges a debt of rupees 4,800 in 24-month installments, which forms the AP. Total number of installment N is 24. After, so given Sn is equal to 4,800. Number of installment is 24. Then after 20 installments, after number of installment is 24. After 20 installments, Suresh become insolvent and he credited that with 1,200. So Sn becomes 4,800 minus 1,200. It becomes 3,600. N is equal to how many installment? 20. So this is first one, this is second one. We move on to first one. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. What's your Sn? 4,800. Number of installment 24 divided by 2 into then 2a plus number of installment is 24 minus 1 and the difference we don't know, d. Simplify 4,800. This is 12 2a plus 23d. So we can say that divide 12 fours of 400 2a plus 23d. Equation number 1. Second one, this is 3. Sn is equal to 3,000. Second, 3,600. How many? Number 20 divided by 2. 2 into 2a. Number of installment is 20 minus 1. D we don't know. This is 3,600. This is 10 2a plus 19d. Simplify. 3,600 divided by 10 is 360. This, what is left over? 2a plus 19d. This is equation number 2. Which are the two equations are? 2a plus 23d is equal to 400. Second one, 2a plus 19d is equal to 360. Deduct, while you deduct, this become minus, minus, minus. So 2a cancelled out. 4d, 460 means 40. D is equal to 40 divided by 4 is 10. So common difference is 10. You take the first equation, 2a plus 23d is equal to 400. 2 into a, 23. What's your d? 10. This is 400. Then 2a plus 230 is equal to 400. 2a 400 minus 230. 2a 400 minus 230 is equal to 170. A is equal to 170 divided by 2, 85. A is 85, difference. So what he wants to know, amount to be paid in the last installment, first installment. What's the last installment? 20 installment. T20 is equal to A plus n minus 1D. What's your A? 85 plus 20 minus 1. Your common difference is 10. This is 85 plus 19 into 10. 85. This is 190. A is 85. Number of installment I took assumption as 20. Last installment. 20 minus 1 D is 19 into 190 plus 85. 85 plus 190 is equal to 275. I took the last installment. So what's your formula? T20 is equal to A plus n minus 1. What's your A? 85 plus n number of 20 minus 1D. 19 into 10 is 190 plus 85. We'll move on to next problem. The rate of monthly salary of a person increases annually in AP. He was drawing 400 a month during the 6th year of service and 7,800 into 25th years of find his starting salary and rate of annual increment. So 6th year. 6th year means T6 is equal to, what's your formula? N plus n minus 1D. This is, he was drawing 400 a month during the 6 years of service. 6 minus 1, T6. T6 is equal to n minus 1D. T6 is equal to how much you say? 400. This is T6 is equal to A plus n minus 1D. This is T6 is equal to A plus 5D. Then is equal to 4,000. Then T25 A plus 24D is equal to 7,800. You put first equation A plus 24D is equal to 7,800. Second one, A plus, what he says, the rate of monthly salary, 6th year service, find his starting salary. A plus, okay, A plus 5D is equal to 4,000. This is 19D. Deduct 3,800. D is equal to 3,800. This is 200. You take one equation. A plus 5D is equal to 4,000. A 5 into, what's your D? 200 is equal to 4,000. A is equal to 1,000 is equal to 4,000. A is equal to 4,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 3,000. So your increment is, first year is D, difference is, increment is how much? 3,000, then 3,200, then 3,400. It goes. Increment goes. Hope you understand this. So you have solved about 4 to 5 problems here and summation of the problem you have solved here. Hope you understand this. The summation problem goes Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. All the problems, and either you have to find out a means first number, d is the common difference, n is equal to number of a. Hope you understand this. We'll meet in the next class with sum of product and sum of the 3 numbers. Hope you understand this. So we'll move on to the next one, sum and product of 3 numbers. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.